Today we're gonna make these adorable sweetheart headbands. You're gonna need a main color yarn, a waist yarn, an Addi King scissors, 4.5 crochet hook, and a tapestry needle. All right, you're gonna start by adding your 5 rows of waist yarn. All right, now I'm gonna do 45 rows of my main color. These are super easy to make. You can make a lot very quickly. All right, now we're gonna do 5 more rows of the waist yarn. And we're gonna release the tube. That's so satisfying. All right, and you wanna make sure that you have the correct side showing and it's not inside out, but you are going to single crochet both of the last end of your main color. Right before it goes to the waist yarn, you're going to single crochet those together, and then you can knot it at the end, and I like to hide them inside. Super easy. Just like this. I like to hide my inseam in the middle of the inside so nobody sees, and if you like it like this, you could also just keep it as a regular headband. That's a great option, but I like mine to look girly and cute, so I'm going to keep going, and I'm gonna pop it out with my finger in the center and then tuck the other 2 sides in. And I'm going to pinch it, and using my tapestry needle, I'm going to sew about 3 times just to keep it in place, and then I'm just going to wrap around it until I am satisfied with the way it looks, and then making sure it ends in the very back behind it on the inside. I'm going to tie 2 really tight knots and hide the ends, and then you're done. And I really like these headbands. They look good in like almost any different kind of yarn I've used. Right now I love this yarn. I've also used the Yarn Bees Flawless. That looks really nice. And the Caron Simply Soft. Those are really, really pretty too.